हमारे देश में 1 in every 5 person is pre-diabetic and guess what? They think it's completely normal. भाई साहब, at this stage you can actually reverse pre-diabetes and literally save yourself. And अगर आपको लगता है that diabetes एक दिन अचानक से होती है, well, you are wrong. Because diabetes is a chronic disorder, it slowly creeps in and this is based on your lifestyle. आप क्या खाना खाते हो, the amount of sleep you take and the amount of physical activity which you do. आज हम बात करेंगे about the early signs, symptoms, investigations like how to diagnose it, how to treat and how to completely reverse it. देखो आजकल ना सबका लाइफस्टाइल इतना कूल है. When they're hungry they order from Zomato, physical activity नहीं, पूरे दिन बस ऑफिस में बैठते रहता है इन द नेम ऑफ हसल. अच्छा, इवन आई एम हसलिंग बट आई गो टू द जिम, आई मेक श्योर माई डाइट इज ऑन पॉइंट. सो हमेशा याद रखना, इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ, आप लाइफ में कुछ भी अचीव नहीं कर पाओगे. एंड लेट मी गिव यू अ वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल. लेट्स से आई हैव अ फ्रेंड कॉल्ड मिस्टर रवि. नाउ मिस्टर रवि वर्क्स इन ऑफिस फॉर 12 hours per day. For breakfast, he has chole bhature. For lunch, he orders from Zomato. Dinner, his wife makes some relatively healthy food. Now, he was told to do some incidental blood tests and वहाँ उसका fasting blood sugar आया 112 and now he's shocked. And guess what his age is? 29. He is pre-diabetic. And ये trend is going up to 26, 24 and even 22. They are pre-diabetic at the age of 22. Well, I think I should give a special thank you letter to Zomato and Swiggy for that. And irony ये है कि a lot of people get around 112, 113 and they think like pre-diabetes तो chill है यार, मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं ज़्यादा कुछ खास, देख लेंगे 2-3 किलो वजन कम कर लेंगे और उसके बाद जो होगा देखा जाएगा. हाँ भाई, देखा जाएगा. You will understand the value of your health only when you get unhealthy. So what exactly is pre-diabetes? देखो, insulin release 2 phases में होता है. Phase 1 where there's a rapid surge of insulin and phase 2 there's a dull release of insulin. So pre-diabetes में आपका phase 1 पूरा खत्म. मतलब समझ लेना 40 to 50% of the pancreas is completely gone. So if you are going to take yourself lightly at this stage, bhai sahab, diabetes will hit you like a truck. So what are the early signs of diabetes? Number 1, you will have dark necks with cracks. Number 2, you will have skin tags. Number 3, your waist circumference is more than 90 for males and more than 80 for females. Number 4, you have excess fat in your hands, thighs and hips, especially for women. And lastly, excessive urination. अब symptoms क्या क्या हो सकता है? Now symptoms are very very non-specific. Like you might feel just very tired even after sleeping for 8 hours. You might be like, भाई लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है? Number 2, increase sugar cravings. Like भाई आपने अभी अभी खाना खाया but you just feel like having an ice cream or some dessert and भाई you will literally have no control over it. And lastly, you will have excessive thirst, so you will end up drinking more water and that will lead to excessive urination. अब diagnosis कैसे होगा? Now let's say your fasting blood sugar is above 100 and below 125. So the range is between 100 to 125. Or you can get a HbA1c done, which is 5.7 to 6.4% is the cutoff for pre-diabetes. And one more pro tip, please get these tests done at least once in a year if you're above the age of 30. But if you're above the age of 25 and you're extremely obese, you should consider yourself to screen. अब how to manage pre-diabetes? देखो guys, pre-diabetes के लिए you basically have 4 pillars. Number 1 is diet. Number 2 is your sleep. Number 3 is weight loss. And number 4 is stress management. Now let me explain these pillars one by one. अब डाइट में you should have a proper diabetic diet. Now diabetic diet itself is an entire separate topic, so I will try to make a separate video and I think I've conducted an entire webinar over this जहाँ I have explained in detail क्या करना चाहिए when your fasting is high, what to do when your postprandial is high and what foods to avoid, what fruits to take, whether you can have fruit juices. Anyways, I will try to cover this in the coming videos. Number 2, sleep. Please try to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours क्योंकि अगर आपकी नींद बहुत poor है, your insulin sensitivity will be very bad. Coming to the third pillar is weight loss. Please try to lose 5 to 7% of your body weight. Like मान लो आप 80 किलो का हो, try to lose around 4 kgs. Now, ये तो bare minimum है. आप अगर आप 4 किलो लूज करोगे, it doesn't mean आपकी pre-diabetes reverse हो जाएगा. Let me be frank. if you actually want to reverse pre-diabetes, you have to weight train. क्योंकि pre-diabetes में जैसे मैंने कहा, there is a loss of phase 1, so you are insulin resistance. पर जब आप weight training करोगे, you will increase your muscle and your insulin sensitivity will increase. अब ये दोनों opposite है and your end result is your pre-diabetic level will come down. Now coming to the last pillar, stress को कम करो. अब मेरे को पता है कि आप बोलोगे यार ये तो मैं कैसे करूँ, क्या I'm busy, I have this, I have that, I know. But trust me, when you have a massive health issue, everything will be blurry in front of your health. So when you're healthy, please take care of your health. क्योंकि भाई, let me be honest, I see so many cancer patients on a day-to-day basis and those people are literally ready to give up everything भाई, उनके पैसा सब कुछ just to be healthy. And अगर आपके पास भाई health है, why are you running behind more money or more work or something? I'm not telling कि भाई मत करो. Even I am very ambitious, but not at the cost of your health. आज भी whatever my ambitions are, my diet is on point, my working out is on point, and even my sleep is also on point. थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है in my sleep because obviously I have hectic duties and bit of ups and downs, but that is not in my hand ना. मेरे हाथ में जो है, I will give my best because yaar, when a patient bleeds or when a patient is critical, I'll have to wake up and save that patient. That's my duty and that's the oath which I took. But if you're any other IT employee or a businessman, भाई 7 घंटा तो आप आराम से ले सकते हो. Lastly, coming to the latest scientific development in this field to reverse pre-diabetes. So recently एक study हुआ Nutrition 2025 में that having 1 cup of chickpea or black beans, which is nothing but our black chana, khale chole, can actually decrease your cholesterol, triglyceride, inflammation markers in individuals with pre-diabetes. And I think भाई ये तो काफी game changing है. Like black chana is available almost everywhere. So मेरे हिसाब से you should be having at least a cup of black chana. Secondly, there are a lot of new drugs and I really don't want to go into that because भाई all these drugs should be prescribed under a doctor's prescription. But a lot of chit chat has been going around semaglutide. Now ये drug basically क्या होता है? Like I feel that a lot of celebrities like Karan Johar have taken this for weight loss and now this drug has also been coming for diabetes also. So ये drug basically क्या करता है? I really don't want to go into detail, but it decreases your appetite and makes you feel you're very full. तो भाई आपको भूख ही नहीं लगेगा. So you feel that you're very full, but आपके पेट के अंदर कुछ है ही नहीं. So invariably you will start to lose weight, your insulin sensitivity will improve, you'll start to feel more energetic. But इसका भी कुछ काफी side effects है, which I will discuss in another video. Next on the list, supplements like zinc or vitamin D. So zinc supplementation has shown promising improvement in the glycemic results and a potential for pre-diabetic management, which is quite shocking. So make sure your diet is rich in zinc. And vitamin D, ये तो controversial है. It did not effectively prevent the progression, but मेरे हिसाब से if you are vitamin D deficient, आपको जरूर supplement करना है. So I will make a separate video on vitamin D deficiency का symptoms, treatment, dosage in a separate video. Alright. So next on the list is abdominal visceral fat reduction. भाई ये तो बहुत ही important है कि भाई अगर आपका waist circumference बहुत ज़्यादा है, please hit the gym. एंड वहां जाके बस एब्स मत करना भाई, ये गलती मत करना. यू कैन नॉट डू एनी स्पॉट रिडक्शन, इट डजंट वर्क दैट वे. आपका बॉडी में योर ऑल ओवर योर बॉडी फैट गोज इन अ जनरलाइज्ड वे. सो लाइक आई टोल्ड, वेट ट्रेनिंग कर लेना, हैव अ हाई प्रोटीन डाइट एंड इफ पॉसिबल ट्राई टू हैव अ लो ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स डाइट. एंड लास्ट ऑन द लिस्ट इज कीटोजेनिक डाइट. नाउ ये डाइट काफी कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल है क्योंकि यार दिस इज अ डाइट विच इज नॉट सूटेबल फॉर our country, I would say. क्योंकि यार countries like Australia, US, वहाँ for breakfast you get omelets, bacon and all this keto stuffs, right? For lunch people have steaks, butter. But हमारे यहाँ is like a very carb predominant country. So अगर आपको ये keto diet करना है, it's going to be very hard for you. So my advice would be is to stay away from keto diet. But अगर आपके पास एक अच्छे dietitian है, you want to try it out, you can go for it. But the major cons of this diet is जब आप इस diet को बंद करोगे, you have an extreme high chance of rapidly gaining back the weight. So guys, I'm going to summarize this entire video by saying just few things. Number 1, weight training, very important. Number 2, diabetic diet. अभी के लिए just remember these two things: high protein diet along with low glycemic index foods. Check this list out. Next on this list is sleep. Please try to sleep for 7 to 8 hours. मैं इसमें stress out नहीं कर सकता हूँ because if you sleep less, आपकी insulin resistance बढ़ेगा. So to all the youngsters out there, to all the middle-aged people out there, if you are pre-diabetic, there is a extreme high chance that you will be diabetic. And to all the PCOS girlies out there too, आप भी insulin resistant हो for more than 80% of the cases. So try to incorporate these lifestyle interventions in your diet. And sugar intake को कम कर लेना. Like I know it's very hard कि भाई going zero sugar कब तक tolerate करोगे, then you end up binge eating. कि please don't get into this cycle. उससे अच्छा try to have a limit कि हाँ भाई once in a while थोड़ा सा चलता है, but physical activity should be on point, diet should be clean, sleep should be adequate. So keep these in mind and let me know what topic you'd like to cover next. So please share this with your friends and family because our pre-diabetes is becoming a silent pandemic in our country. And I really don't want people to die from heart attacks, strokes, left and right. Yaar, during my MD period, I've seen so many cases. And the pain is very, very bad. Like diabetes is like a lifestyle disease and you have to keep it under control. Especially if you are pre-diabetic, you can actually get it out of your life.